Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make gummy candy in a water bottle. First, gather your ingredients: unflavored gelatin, a packet of flavored drink mix, and about 1/4 cup of water. You'll also need a clean, empty plastic water bottle, a small saucepan, and a microwave-safe bowl. This method is super easy and fun, perfect for a quick treat. Ensure all your tools are ready before you begin the mixing process. Now, let's get mixing. In your microwave-safe bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin with 1 packet of your favorite flavored drink mix. Add 1/4 cup of water and stir thoroughly until the gelatin and drink mix are completely dissolved. Next, gently heat this mixture in a small saucepan over low heat or microwave it for about 15 to 20 seconds, just until it's warm and fully liquid. Avoid boiling it. With your mixture warm and liquid, carefully pour it into the clean plastic water bottle. A funnel can be helpful here to prevent spills. Once filled, securely cap the bottle. Now, place the sealed water bottle in your refrigerator. Let it chill for a minimum of 2 to 3 hours, or until the gummy mixture is completely firm and set. Patience is key for perfect gummies. Once your gummy candy is fully set, it's time for the fun part. Carefully cut open the plastic water bottle lengthwise to reveal your long, cylindrical gummy. You can then slice this into fun, bite-sized pieces. These homemade gummies are a delightful treat, and this method makes them incredibly simple to prepare. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, homemade gummy candy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.